Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot milkshakes. First, understand that a hot milkshake is a delightful warm beverage, not just a heated cold one. It's designed to be comforting and rich, perfect for a cozy treat. We'll focus on achieving that smooth, creamy texture and balanced flavor profile. Get ready to transform your perception of milkshakes into a warm, inviting experience. Gathering your ingredients is the next step to a perfect hot milkshake. You'll want about 1 cup of whole milk for that essential creamy base. Next, select 2 generous scoops of your preferred ice cream. Vanilla or chocolate work wonderfully. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of a flavoring syrup, like caramel or hazelnut, to enhance the taste. These components are key to building a delicious foundation. Now for the exciting part, blending and heating your milkshake. First, combine your milk, ice cream, and flavoring syrup in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Next, pour this creamy liquid into a saucepan. Heat it gently over medium-low heat, stirring continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to let it boil, just warm it through to a comforting temperature. Your hot milkshake is ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite mug and top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream. For an extra touch, consider adding a sprinkle of cinnamon or some delicate chocolate shavings. This warm, comforting treat is perfect for any time you need a little indulgence. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.